Hi everybody, my name is Jeff. I'm a chef by profession. This is my first video blog I'm doing. I'll be doing one every week, and what it's all about, it's about food and life. What I mean by food and life is that I believe food and life goes hand to hand together. I believe food can bring a lot of people together. And when we come together as one, we can accomplish a whole lot more together than an individual. So, with that said, what I'll be doing, or what we'll be doing, is that I'll be making a dish every single week. And while making the dish, we'll also be talking about life. Uh, what I mean by life is like what's going on in my life, your life, what's going on in our country, and also what's going on around the world. So with that, we get to learn more about food and more about ourselves, and also more about our country, and also what's going on around the world. With that said, also, if you want to learn anything like food, if you want to learn a different kind of recipe, or if you want to learn a dish, or if you want to know which wine goes best with what kind of food, you're free to ask, and I'll be glad and happy to answer you. And also, if you have any kind of topic you want us to discuss while making the dish, feel free to comment. So, if you have any recipe, dish, or technique you want to learn, or if you want to know what kind of wine goes with what kind of food, or anything, or what kind of food to eat if you're vegan, or if you're allergic to milk, lactose, just free to ask me, and we can do that, and also we can make it. And also, we like to know about, we can talk about what kind of topics you want us to discuss. So, feel free to comment down below about the recipes and about the topic, and it's going to be fun. I thank you guys once again for taking this opportunity to take this channel with me. It's going to be fun, exciting, and it's going to be different. We are going to learn a lot as a group and as we grow. So, as I said earlier, it's going to be fun, exciting, and also different. And also remember, if you're going through anything like personally, and you would like some advice, or if you wanna talk about it, or if you wanna know how to go through this, just feel free and comment that also. There are people here who are willing to help you and ready to help you in any way possible. Don't go through it yourself. And also remember, you're not by yourself. There are people out there willing to help you 100%. We are all brothers and sisters. We are ready to help you. So just feel free and ask. And not about food, anything, anything. Don't be afraid. It's an open forum to learn, and also to learn from you guys, and also to learn from me. So it's going to be different. So with that said, it's going to be fun. It's going to be exciting, and definitely it's going to be different. So with that said, I'll leave you guys with this. Be yourself. Trust in yourself. And this is the key one. Always love yourself. God bless, and see you guys soon.